I'm going to show you how to make a really quick Southern breakfast. This is if you're dashing out the door and you don't have time to do anything else. Okay, we have 1 egg, real bacon pieces, whatever kind of shredded cheese you like, some water, I have a cup of water there, some milk, you're not going to need much milk, a little bit of butter, and please forgive me because I know it's an abomination, but instant grits, you need 2 packs of those. Hang with me because it really turns out good. First thing we're going to do is crack that egg into a bowl about that size, just like that. And we're going to pour a little bit of milk in it. Just a little bit, like, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon of milk. And you're going to get a fork and you're going to go ahead and whisk that egg and milk together really well. You want that yolk really busted up because we're going to put it in the microwave, and if you don't bust that yolk up sufficiently, you'll have a mess in the microwave. Okay, so I've whisked my egg and milk, and we're going to microwave that for 1 minute and 20 seconds. It's the perfect amount of time for a 700-watt microwave, but you can tweak that. You want your egg completely done. Now you need a bowl, about a 3-cup capacity. We're going to go ahead and open up our packs of instant grits and just pour those in that bowl. Then we're going to pour a little bit of milk in with that. Maybe about half a cup of milk, and you're going to give that a good stir. I'm going to add a little bit more. The milk is the key to the grits. It makes it creamy. All right, so there's the milk. I'm also going to go ahead and throw in my pat of butter. It's just going to sit there for just a few minutes until we can get our water ready. Now, speaking of, I'm going to put the water in the microwave from anywhere to 2.5 to 3 minutes to get it almost boiling. So my water is ready, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to my grits. I'm going to pour in about half a cup to start off with and just stir until it's the desired creaminess that I like. You want to stir it a good few minutes to get it all incorporated, because it takes a few minutes for those grits to really absorb all that moisture. Okay, that's about how I like it. Now you're going to take about a tablespoon of those bacon pieces and just sprinkle it in there. You can use whatever kind of meat you want. A slice of Spam works really well. Then I'm going to take my cheese. I have about 2 tablespoons of that. Sprinkle that on top. Now we have our egg fresh out of the microwave, good and hot, and you're going to just slide that right on top of all that cheese. And there you have a quick, easy, classic Southern breakfast, and you just chop it up, chop that egg up in there with all that goodness, and you're good to go.